is equal to 200 times 10 is 2000.
2000.
Next, we collect like this.
Yes, sir. 10W is equal to 2000 minus
10W is equal to 2000 minus 1200.
1200.
That's
2000
800.
minus 1200 give us what?
800.
800.
So 10
10.
is equal to 800.
800.
So to find this, we divide side by 10.
Coefficient of 10.
Yes, coefficient of W. 10 cancels 10. Sorry, please. Remaining W equal to 800 cancel 0, 1, 80 Newton. So of the meter is 80 Newton. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So let's solve for example. Yes, let's look at this. I want you to look at it very well. I'm going to be asking you a question. Wait, I don't think this question came with a diagram. It's not a must. Please, there's no diagram here. Please, you're not going to be doing it. Let me remove the diagram.
Hello.
Yes, I'm here. All right, so this is the question, the typical question. A uniform meter weighing 0.5 Newton to be pivoted on a knife edge.
Samuel.
Yes, any problem? I think someone is raised now.
Someone's mic was on, sir.
Hey, Samuel.
Someone's mic was on.
Okay, please, the person should mute. Kyle, did you have any question?
Please, sir, can I see the previous solving?
Look at it here. This is what we have. 40, that is the other moment. Remember what that we have W located at 25. So 40 times 45 minus 15, that is from 45 to 15. Plus W now, which is here. I hope you followed now. What exactly are you checking so that I will know?
Just the answer. I'm fine with it, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
I'm sorry, I'm in the theater. I'm not hearing you well, sir.
How is it? So you didn't follow?
Yes, sir.
Please try. You can hear me now. I hope you can hear me. Israel.
So maybe he has gone to sleep.
He said he's in the theater. Then he leave the class now, Israel. You listen to the recorded class.
Leave the
Sir,
class if you're
continue. I'm paying
in theater.
attention.
Yes, leave the class, Israel. After I listen to your
Don't
record.
go keep it though.
Leave the class, please.
I cannot leave
All
class
right.
also.
Let's proceed. I think the class is being recorded. Okay. But I hope you are. All right. Let's proceed. A uniform meter rule weighing 0.5 Newton is to be pivoted on a knife edge. On a knife edge at 30 cm mark. Where will the force of 2 Newton be placed from the pivot to balance the meter rule? So you see a question like this, we need to draw. You must draw before you can get your solution. So we need to draw a uniform meter rule. Did they give us the length of this meter rule?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it 30?
No, it's 100.
100.
So what do you think
So I
will
think
be
it's
the length?
100.
100. Because you said it's a uniform
100.
meter.
100 centimeter.
So what you do here, write 0. Here, write 100. And they said that the meter rule weighs 0.5 Newton. What am I going to do with that 0.5 Newton?
At 30 centimeter mark. 30 centimeter on the meter rule.
Am I going to say this thing 200
At
times?
50.
Am I going to say this thing 500 times before you people will get it?
No.
A meter rule is weighing 0.5 Newton. The weight of the meter rule, where is it going to act?
Is at the center
30
of
centimeter mark.
At the center of gravity. So please be careful with this. Be careful with this. So this 0.5 Newton, you come to the center. So what's the center? Which one
50.
is 50? So you write
50.
50 here. Then you draw a line down to represent the mass or the weight of the meter rule. And the weight of the meter rule was given here. So this is going to be 0.5 Newton.
Newton.
So we continue. Is to be pivoted on the knife edge. Knife edge is that triangle at 30 cm. So where is 30 going to be? Is it after this arrow or before the arrow?
After 0.
After the arrow.
After from where?
After
Like
0 before 50.
30 is before the arrow.
Before 50.
So which means here I will
Yes.
draw my pivot. Because if this is 0, here is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So
Yes.
draw this and call it what? 30. Now the next question is, where will the force of 2 Newton be placed from the pivot? Let me ask this question first. Where do you think we are going to place force? Which side?
Right side.
Right down, sir.
On the right hand side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is right hand side. Your own right hand side.
Between
Between
we place after 0 before 30.
Okay, after 0 before 30.
no,
Yes,
no, sir. Between
Yes,
50 and 100.
Yes, sir.
Between 50 and 100. It will balance.
In between 50 and 100. Not 30.
Between 50 and 100. When you
That
answer
is to be
question
before the
now,
pivot.
very well.
Between 0 and 30, sir. To mute
How do
abeg
you,
o.
how do you expect? Okay, it's okay. You can mute.
After the
Between 50 and 100.
All right.
zero and 30, sir.
To mute.
She shut it now, please.
Please.
I think 0 and 30. Between 0 and 30. Between 0 and 30.
Can you look at the same between 50 and 100? Eh? Look at pivots here. Please, if this meter rule is left this way now, can somebody tell me if here is A and here is B? This meter rule, is it going to balance on this knife edge?
No.
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 Sir.
No,
On which
sir.
side do you think it will fall?
No.
The right hand side.
Complete.
B.
This is labeled with the alphabet.
It will fall on B, this side.
Fall on that
It
B
will
side.
fall side,
Yes, we
right? Now, imagine, I added force again here, and this force is 0.5 Newton. That is the weight of the meter rule. Now, which side is it going to fall to? A or B side is it going to fall?
B.
Is it not B side? So,
It's
are you
B.
telling me that
B.
if you want to balance this thing now, that you add another force here? Who is saying this now? Don't be physics again, please. It's not going to balance here. To balance it, you need to put force, apply the force here on the other side, please. So this is where we are going to apply the force. And they said, where will a force of 2 Newton be placed? So place it anywhere, we don't know, but they're asking us the exact point where it will be placed. So let me place it anywhere. What am I going to write? What's the force?
2 Newton.
It's 2 Newton. So I'll write 2 here. Do we know the value here?
No,
sir.
that's what
We
I'm saying.
don't know. So since we don't know, we just call it what? X. Call it X or me. So with this we can start solving. Like I told you, first of all, locate your pivot. Pivot is in between that 50 and X. Next, identify the clockwise and the anti-clockwise. Which one is clockwise? Which one is anti-clockwise force? Clockwise force. Which one is clockwise?
0.5 is clockwise.
0.5 Let me hear for one person. Yes, the first person to raise
50.
his hand up.
Man, it's 0.5 is clockwise. 2 Newton is anti-clockwise.
So many of you. Who is this? Samuel.
Okay, so from 0.5 to the pivot is clockwise, while from 2 Newton to the pivot is anti-clockwise.
Very good. From here to the pivot, all road leads to the pivot. So you see that clock moves this way. So this is this is clockwise. And from here, 2 Newton moves this way to the pivot. So this is going to be anti-clockwise. So you remember that summation of clockwise moment is equal to summation of anti-clockwise moment. Moment means force and distance. So let's identify the force and the distance immediately. Yes, let's start with 0.5, the other side, the right hand side, the clockwise. Yes, the clockwise, what's the force?
0.5.
0.5
0.5.
times, what is the distance from where to where?
From 50.
Hold on.
I bet you guys should mute.
Easy. Okay, let me passing. The distance, yes, can I hear from salvation?
The distance will be from 50 to 30, which is
The
20.
distance will be from 50 to 30. Very good. From 50 to 30 is how many? Is it not 50 minus 30?
It's
That's
20.
20.
Which is 20. So can I say clockwise is now 0.5 times 20 is equal to, we are through with clockwise. So let's move to anti-clockwise. What's the force for anti-clockwise?
2 Newton.
Is 2
Newton.
Newton. Which is 2 times, what is the distance from here to where?
From X to
From X to where?
30.
30.
From X to 30. Remember what I've been doing. You know, from X to 30 cannot be a single value. Okay, can you mute? Can you mute? All row need to the pivot. So it's from X to 30. So from X to 30 is the same thing as 30 minus X. Like we did 50 minus 30 to get 20. So we do 30 minus what? X to get the distance there. You know that 30 minus X cannot, is not going to give us a whole number. So if we continue, 0.5 times 20 will give us 10.
10.
Is equal to
10.
I don't know how you would do, but please, it's good that we use. We have to open the bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But me, you know, this is JAMB, and then the house solving is involved. I can simply cancel out this and this. 2 can cancel 10, and what will remain? 5.
5.
5 is now, what is now remaining? 30 minus what? X. I can make X subject to the formula, collect like that. Let minus X cross to the left hand side. If minus X crosses to the left hand side, what are we going to have? Is it not X?
Yes, sir.
It's going to be plus X. So if it crosses, we are going to have X is equal to, we have 30 already on the right hand side. If 5 will cross to the right hand side, what is it going to be? 0 minus 5.
Minus 5.
So X now is equal to what? 25. 25 cm. So our answer is what? 25 centimeters.
B.
That is where we're going to place this. So it means X is 25. So here is going to be 25 for this thing to be balanced. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moment, is this still difficult at this level?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Response. Okay. So now let's move on because we need to go higher. Okay. Hold on. All right. Now, look at this. Oh, I think the dad came with this question. No, I don't think they might add that to this. Okay, let's look at this now. A uniform rod, PQ. So as the question comes now, you react immediately. You draw. All right. A uniform rod, PQ. So I will draw. PQ. P. Here is a P now. And here it's going to be Q. of length 1 meter. So the length, which means here is 0 and here is 1. In meters. So I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And mass 2 kilograms. And mass 2.
It's going to be at the center.
What is the center?
0.5 meters.
So the center is